Are you making a living or making a dying? Every time we swipe a card, write a check, or receive a paycheck, we're trading the most precious thing we have, our life energy. The book, Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki and Joe Dominguez, isn't just about financial independence. It's about taking control of your life, your time, and your purpose. It's a 9-step program that has transformed millions of people's financial lives. Today, I'm going to walk you through each of those 9 steps, showing you exactly how you can use them to reclaim your time and achieve true financial freedom. Step 1, make peace with the past. The first step is confronting your past financial decisions. This means adding up everything you've ever earned and asking, where did all that money go? To truly move forward, you need to understand where you've been. As the authors say, you must know how much life energy you've already traded and what you got in return. Example, let's say you've earned $600,000 over the years, but you have little to show for it. This might be a tough realization, but it's the first step in changing your financial habits for good. Step 2, calculate your real hourly wage. This step asks you to think about your real time value. It's not just about your salary, it's about how much time and energy you lose with all your job-related expenses. Formula to calculate real hourly wage. Real hourly wage equals total income, job cost, or total time spent on job. Example, Sarah makes $25 an hour, but after subtracting her commuting costs, meals, and time spent decompressing, her actual hourly wage drops to $14. That's the true value of her time. Step 3, track every penny you spend. In this step, the book encourages you to track every single penny for at least 3 months. The goal isn't just to budget, but to raise awareness about where your money is actually going. Ask yourself, 1, did this purchase bring fulfillment? 2, was it aligned with my values? 3, would I trade my life energy again for this? Example, John tracks his spending for a month and realizes he's spending over $3,000 a year on food delivery he doesn't really enjoy. By cutting that, he can start saving money for experiences he values more. Step 4, evaluate spending through the lens of life energy. In this step, the authors ask you to evaluate every expense through the lens of life energy. They introduce the fulfillment curve, a graph that shows happiness increases with spending, but only up to a certain point. After you hit enough, any more spending actually decreases happiness. Example, Emily loves hiking with her family, and it brings her far more joy than shopping for clothes. She realizes that reducing her shopping budget and redirecting that money into family experiences is a much better investment of her life energy. Step 5, create a monthly wall chart. The authors recommend creating a monthly wall chart to visually track your income versus expenses. The physical act of drawing this out helps increase awareness and motivates you to take action. Example, Tom begins creating his chart each month. He sees his expenses slowly decrease and his savings steadily increase. By seeing his progress on paper, he feels motivated to keep improving. Step 6, minimize spending. Increase fulfillment. This step focuses on minimizing your spending without sacrificing the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. It's not about deprivation. It's about freedom. The goal is to align your spending with what you truly value. Example, Lisa cancels 3 streaming services she doesn't use and channels that money into experiences she loves, like traveling and reading. Now she feels like she's spending less, but enjoying life more. Step 7, maximize income aligned with your values. The 7th step teaches that you should increase your income only if it aligns with your values. More income isn't bad, but if it leads to lifestyle inflation or stress, then it defeats the purpose. The authors warn, earning more without purpose leads to lifestyle inflation. Example, David leaves his stressful corporate job to work as a freelancer. He earns less money, but gains freedom to work on projects he's passionate about. Step 8, crossover point. When your investment income covers your expenses. The crossover point is when your investment income is greater than or equal to your monthly expenses. This is the point of financial independence, and the authors walk you through how to calculate it. Formula, crossover point equals monthly expenses, 12 but a 0.04, safe withdrawal rate. Example, let's say your monthly expenses are $2,000. To reach your crossover point, you'll need about $600,000 invested at a 4% withdrawal rate. Once you reach this point, you no longer need to work unless you choose to. Step, invest wisely and live with purpose. The final step emphasizes investing for freedom and purpose, not just for wealth accumulation. The authors recommend low-cost index funds and a focus on long-term growth. They also share the mantra, true wealth is not having what you want, it's wanting what you have. Example, Mark hits his crossover point by 45. He lives simply, travels when he wants, and uses his time to give back to his community by starting a local charity garden. He may not be a millionaire, but he's wealthy in purpose. By following these 9 steps, you can begin the journey toward financial independence and, more importantly, create a life filled with freedom and meaning. So, what's the first step you'll take today to get your life and your money back on track? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing book summaries and personal finance tips.